Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a modern typographic design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1920 by 1080. Go to the File menu and Place. Select the image and click on the Place button. I have this PNG image. Link to this image is mentioned in the description. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle of the artboard size. Right-click on it, arrange and send to back. Apply the gradient to it. Select the one-sided gradient slide, go to the eyedropper tool, hold the Shift button, and pick the color from the shirt. Follow the other settings. Select the image and go to the Object menu, Hide and Selection, or press Ctrl+3 to hide the image for now. Go to the Type tool and type the text. Change its case to upper and the font to Nagasaki. Change the color to white. Select the Reflect tool and hit Enter. Use these settings, and click on Copy. Right-click on it and choose Create Outline. Go to the Free Transform tool, and select the Perspective Distort tool. And follow the process. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Apply the Gaussian blur to it. Add a little blur and hit OK. Go to the Type tool and type the text. Follow the settings. Go to the Object menu and click on Show All or press Alt plus Ctrl+3. Right-click on it, arrange, and bring to the front. Adjust its size. Go to the Edit menu and copy it, then paste it in front. Go to the Trace options and select Silhouette. Click on the Image Trace panel to show more options. Follow the process. Right-click on it, arrange and send backward. Now go to the Effect menu, Distort and Transform, then Free Transform. Follow the process. Go to the Object menu and click on Expand Appearance. Apply the gradient to it. Place the social media icon in the bottom center. Finally, place the effect the design. And change the blend mode to color burn. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.